If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. So I'm currently driving through the beautiful mountains. The roof is open, no ceilings are behind me, and I am swerving like crazy right now. But this is beautiful. Like, I had to record this. This just was not an option. All right. So next on the list we have the Memorial Bridge, Palazzo. So apparently this is really scary for people that are scared of heights, and if you all know me, even though I do a lot of bucket list stuff, I am extremely scared of heights, so we'll see what happens. Now look at the trail to get up there. I remember hearing something about, it said something about it's not wheelchair friendly, and I definitely see why, because man, that's a lot of steps. Okay, so I think if you take the steps straight up, then you can skip all that zigzagging like this area. Okay, that makes sense. That's still though, man, if you going uphill, that is tough, man. It's really tough. Shoot. I don't know if I want to take the stairs or do the ramp. Either way, I'm gonna get tired, but we'll see what happens. It is sunny. Woo. All right, so while I'm walking, I want to tell you all, so it is currently 7:43 a.m. Now, of course, this is Vegas and California, Nevada, and all that stuff. The West Coast in general. A lot of people come here to visit, of course, and vacation like me. So you want to do things early. This one especially because the parking lot is so small for such a huge bridge that everyone wants to see. So definitely make sure you come here first. The Memorial Bridge, Mr. Mike and Mr. Pat, whatever you've done, thank you. I will go back and read the stories, but right now I'm just trying to get past this bridge. Oh my God. At your own risk. Yep. All right, so the cool thing about this bridge is it actually spans both state lines. So we have the Nevada side right here. So I finally made it to Arizona. So I'm doing a couple of things: the Grand Canyon, the Hoover Dam, exploring. Let's do it. All right, so here we go. Now I'm staying far away from that side. I'd rather get hit by a car than to fall off the bridge. Oh man. Oh yeah, this is beautiful.
Beautiful day. Look at how nice it is in this bridge. You go ahead.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. All right, here's a better view of it. So we got the Hoover Dam all the way down there, and I'm all the way up here on this high bridge near all these mountains. And look down there, y'all. Y'all see that? Scary, but cool. Really cool. And here we are at the state line. And right in the center of this behemoth. Crazy. And it's your boy, MrBucketlist. Let's do it. And then right here you have the apex of the arc. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it on super view for right now, just so you all can see the scope of this place. Even the highway. So you got this this concrete wall that will protect you. If a car hits that, they're gonna break their car. They're not gonna break this wall, hopefully. But these views, oh my God. So I am in love with this car I got for my rental for being in Vegas, because I'll tell you right now, when I'm lost and I can't find my car, like usually like in the parking lot for example, it's so easy to find it with this yellow car. Like, I love it. All right, so one tip I definitely want to talk about and kind of thank the people I saw on YouTube was, so you have two sides. You have the Nevada side and you have the Arizona side over here. The Nevada side to park over there costs $10. To park over here, which is like maybe a 5-10 minute walk, is free. So it literally makes no sense for you to pay $10 to park over there in Nevada, unless you have like elderly people that don't want to walk that far. Makes sense. But if you're like me or younger, or just in general, just a person that can actually walk and who's used to walking, just park over here. It makes no sense to park over there for $10. Like, it's really silly. All right, so as you're walking in to the Hoover Dam, oh boy, they had protective barriers. I'm not really sure what happened to them, but it was a protective barrier so people won't come and hit you. But now they're gone for whatever reason, so they're a little bit exposed. But look, just look. Now GoPros, cell phone cameras, even DSLRs and high-end like video recorders, I mean, either way, they're not going to do this place justice. Like, you have to come and see this for yourself. That's the only way. It's beautiful. Okay, so if you're coming from the Arizona side, make sure you check out this beautiful backdrop you have right here. I mean, just look at this. This really looks like a picture, and I'm standing right in front of it. Like, it's so crazy. Cool. Okay. Just look at this, y'all. Look at this. Oh my God. Where is all the water? I don't know if it's dry season or what, but this is crazy. I was just up there on that bridge. It's so weird to be down here now and see it from a different perspective. All right, let's try this again. So it's your boy, Mr. Bucket List here. We are at the Hoover Dam. Now, you see that bridge up there? That was the bridge I was just on that I was walking across, and it's this high up. So the Hoover Dam is beautiful, you all. I've literally never seen anything like this. It's crazy. All right, so I had to super view it so you all can see, get a better perspective of it. It's that large. It is crazy. All right, and then we have the plaque here, named in honor of Herbert Clark Hoover.
We thank you for your continued patronage and appreciate your interest in the history and technical achievements created by this world-famous structure. Feel free to walk along the top of the dam and discover other interesting sights.
And this is the water, $1.50. This is the cheapest water I've ever seen in a vending machine, like a tourist attraction. It's not bad at all.
Communicating might look upon this monument and determine the exact date on which the engineers and craftsmen of our culture completed it. To assist these future visitors, the sculpture also created a celestial watch, or wheel of time. While a mark on the floor is actually a complete circle, or a platonic year in astronomy terms. In 2700 BC, when Tillman was the North Star of the ancient Egyptians, the biblical star of Egypt. Next is the star that
Okay. And then here we are, the Hoover Dam. Pretty cool. Alright, so I'm gonna have to do all my videos over again. Apparently my collar was messed up and I didn't realize it. I made some new friends out here, so they told me while they were taking my picture. But look at this. This is crazy. This is the scenery. This is just crazy. And cool. Alright. So the last thing I want to show you all before I head to Red Rock Canyon is this right here. So there's, if you see, there's two of them. There's one right here and one right there. And what it is it's the time zones, because you literally are walking back and forth through two different time zones. So right now in Arizona, it's about to be 9 o'clock. Well, the same for Nevada, but whatever. My watch is going crazy right now, so I doesn't know, but yeah, this is really cool. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.